Hey guys, it's me, Voltage Wolf. What? Do I finally have actual paw pads? But it's strange. One side is developing faster than the other. Don't you think that's strange? Well, aside from that, this is a sequel to my original How to Become a Werewolf video. And, here it is. So, update, I've been developing paw pads for the last few months or so. Or probably, this is pretty fast, to be fairly honest. And I have the water over there in this little, container. So, because of the restrictions of the fingers, with these paws, I have to hold it like this. It's stupid. But I love it. I love it. Alright, here's my other dosage of the water. Delicious. Now I should get some faster development, because this is the water from Castaways, my local tavern, but, you know, it's the Werewolf brand, so, you know, lycanthropy, you know, and, you know, this side, as I said, develops faster than the other, which it's a common condition with these sort of things, and I have not experienced this much euphoria in my entire life with these. It just feels natural. Finally, I can stand outside of the rest. I'm no longer that much of a human anymore. I have done my job. So, tips here for this sequel. If you continue drinking this type of water that's the Werewolf brand, then you'll get faster development. Faster development in the fur, in the paw pads, even in the body. And it'll eventually get to your head. And you'll finally look like the sexy canine figure you've always wanted to be. And it may look like I'm wearing black for this special occasion. Well, it's brown and then black. But you can call it black if you'd like, because that's pretty much what you see through this lens. But don't drink too much, because you might lose control of yourself. And, yeah, that's pretty much it for this sequel. Just a short little sequel, you know, just to be a sequel to my How to Become a Werewolf. And some of you guys liked it, some of you guys didn't, and it has mixed reviews so far. And, you know, this sequel may blast off and become one of the better ones, and that's my hopes, though. And, let's see if it lives up to my expectations. So, if you were informed and if this worked for you, and if you liked this video, want to see more content like this in the future, like gaming, vlogs, furry related stuff, consider hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel. Tap or click the bell to get notified of all new videos. And this has been Voltage Wolf, and I'll see you guys in the next session. Goodbye, Packmates. Now, let me try and control myself. Ooh, my head. Yeah, it does give you a migraine too. Ooh.